Am I recording?
Just imagine if you really GoPro in that.
Wait, let me see.
It looks good though.
Like, is it recording?
It's recording. A little slow-mo running into this river. Another real fucked up.
What?
Freaking all this run. Like, this is a reenactment of slavery.
A reenactment of slavery?
Wait. You gotta like put it like this.
Say that we just take off running.
Dude, that looks good.
Yeah, it looks interesting.
He's like, what the fuck is he, like a soldier or something?
No, I read the story. He's like a what? So the story is this. It's a true story. So he was out traveling with some people, and like
The cool thing is like it's so wide angle that
Yeah,
like
it captures everything.
you don't have to worry about like I'm getting you right now.
So they steal all his shit. So we
So badass.
Oh shit.
Oh, what about Tom Hardy? He's the movie too, right?
Yeah, I think he's trying to kill all of them.
I thought the movie was somebody called The Drop. You saw that? They robbed a bar or something.
So you can go like that.
It was okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, butterfly. Whoa! Hurry, hurry,
Tom
hurry.
Hardy's a scumbag, right?
He is.
Chase after. Oh, let me chase after him. Go faster, go faster.
Run.
Get closer to him.